Hello everyone, welcome to this session where we explore the types of current generation drones categorized by their propulsion methods. By the end of this lecture, you will not only understand these types but also relate them to real world applications. So yeah, let's begin. So basically the drones are classified into four main types based on their propellers, hybrid drones, fixed wing drones, and their propulsion system. These propeller based drones, they are super cool and versatile, making them a popular choices for many different tasks. So what exactly are propeller based drones? Well, they use multiple rotors, usually 4 to 8, to generate lift and thrust. This design makes them highly maneuverable, allowing them to hover in place, fly in any direction, and even perform some impressive aerial stunts. One of the best things about propeller-based drones is their ability to capture stunning aerial photographs and videographs. Whatever you are a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking photos, these drones can help you get these perfect shot from unique angles. But that's not all. Propeller based drones are also great for surveillances and inspection tasks. They can easily navigate tight spaces and provide live real-time footages, making them ideal for monitoring construction sites, inspecting infrastructures, and even assisting in search and rescue operations. Another cool feature of these drones is their ease of use. Many models comes with user-friendly controls and advanced features like GPS navigation and obstacle avoidance, making them accessible to both beginners and experienced pilots. So let's talk about the fixed wing drones. These drones have wings like an airplane and need to move forward to stay in the air. They are super efficient for long distance flights and are often used for mapping and surveying large areas. Fixed wing drones are great because they can cover a lot of ground quickly and are perfect for tasks that requires extended flight times. So these type of fixed wing drones are commonly used in agriculture for monitoring crops and in environmental studies for surveying large landscapes, these things. So next one is hybrid drones. These drones combine the feature of both fixed wing and propeller based drones. They include VTOL capabilities. VTOL is nothing but the vertical takeoff and landing, like the Wingstra 1, which is a real time example for the hybrid drone, which is used for the large scale mapping and surveying. They can take off and land vertically, like propeller based drone, but it can switch to fixed wing flight for longer trips. Hybrid drones are super versatile and can be used for various tasks like delivering packages or monitoring the environment. They offer the best of both worlds, maneuverability and efficiency. So our last category is propulsion based drones. In propulsion based drones, the drones can use jet propulsion methods, that is, the drones use jet engines to fly at high speed and are mostly used in military applications. They can cover large area quickly and carry heavier payloads compared to other types of drones. Jet propelled drones are ideal for tasks that require speed and the ability to carry heavy loads. Their high speed performance make them a valuable tool for various applications like in military. These type of jet propelled drones are used to carry the heavy payload materials likewise. So depending on what you need a drone for, you can choose between these different types. So basically the propeller based drones are great for maneuverability, and fixed wing drones are efficient for long flights, and hybrid drones offers versatility. Also the jet propelled drones are all about speed and their capability to carry heavy materials. So these are the types of drones based on their propulsion system, based on their wings and their propellers. Thank you.